What's up, guys? Today's day 1637 of us living the van life lifestyle with a family of 3, soon to be 4, traveling through the US, and we're currently in New York. This is Day in Our Lives. Today is another gloomy and rainy day, so we're just gonna go find somewhere indoors to walk around. There's a BJ's wholesale club that recently opened up near my parents' house, so let's spend some time walking around there. Let's check it out. We are at BJ's wholesale club. This is our first time visiting a BJ's. And we recently bought bunch of stuff from Costco, so we don't really need to buy anything. Let's just walk around and see what they have here. Okay, let's join the club. My sister was saying that when they first opened, the membership for this location is $10. I think they raised their price to like $25 now. We need to be a member first. We just got the membership. It's $25 introduction rate. It is like the most basic membership. She was trying to upsell me on like the $75 one with like 2% cash back and all that. But just want to check out the club first, see if this is one that we would want to visit and kind of go from there. Oh, you found the toy section here. Oh, they got a pretty decent toy section, toy aisle. We got our water table here. I think we want to get that for Spencer next time we come back here. Play in the water at Grandma's house. We got a robot here. I checked shelf inventory. It's pretty advanced. Tally. Very similar to Costco. They got the TV section at the entrance here. And the Apple station and Samsung. We got a box of strawberries. Let's get some strawberries. They look pretty good. It's their bakery and deli section. I think the setup is very similar to Costco. And this has more of a supermarket feel than like a wholesaler. They've got the rotisserie chicken here too, but they're ranging from $5 to $7. What's the difference? Whole rotisserie chicken versus I think it's just different brands. Harvest Land is $7. This is better, I don't know. And then you have the legs that are $6, and this is just the whole rotisserie chicken for $5. Similar to Costco. Got the frozen seafood here. This is their beef section. Looks like they have more variety of cuts than Costco. This is the porterhouse steak. $12.99 a pound. Pretty reasonable. This is the ribeye, $15.49 a pound. A little bit cheaper than Costco, but thinner cuts here. I like the Costco selection of beef better. They're a little bit more expensive, but I like the cuts. They're a little bit thicker, and it looks a little bit better than these. But these aren't too bad. Like this one is okay. These are a pack of 3 ribeyes. This is their prime ribeye, a little bit more expensive, $22 a pound. I think Costco is $20 a pound. I think the Kerrygold here is a lot cheaper. This is $11. I think this is the same size that we get. Yeah, I think Costco is like, I want to say like $15 or $16 for 4 sticks, so it's definitely cheaper here, but they don't have the salted version. They've got the clothing aisles here in the center of the club. Rita's saying it has the Walmart feel here. Miss Rachel's here too.
Mama.
We are done here at BJ's. It's very similar to Costco, the layout and everything. But I think it just comes down to preference if you like BJ's more or Costco. This location is more convenient for us. It's like a 5-minute drive from my parents' house. But pricing wise, I think it's very similar. Some things are a little bit more expensive here, a little bit cheaper at Costco, vice versa. Not a bad spot to kind of just walk around for a little bit. I personally would prefer Costco more just because the meat selection is nicer, and I do think Costco has a bigger selection of things to look at and buy as well. Pretty convenient location for us here. And the membership was very cheap, so now we have a BJ's membership. There are some cities that we visit that doesn't have Costco, but they have BJ's, then we can visit a BJ instead. All right, let's get back into the van. We're gonna head back. It's raining right now. You see the rain, Spence? Is it raining? Yeah, there's water coming down. It's called rain. We're making the drive over to an Asian supermarket here in Staten Island. We want to do a lobster dinner tonight. And my sister said this spot, this Asian supermarket, has a pretty good deal on lobsters going on right now. So we're gonna go check it out, pick some stuff up, and we'll cook some dinner together. I'm sorry. Here we are, HL Supermarket. The lobsters here are $10 a pound. Pick up 5 or 6. And I'm gonna pick the best lobsters.
Do you know what napkin is?
Thấy hai không hậu nhập
Oh,
lại dặn được cô.
she's checking to see if the lobsters are meaty. Cái chả đi đâu.
Đang chạy, ghé chạy.
And we're gonna make some clams too. These are $8 a pound. And we're gonna get some blue crabs here. Very lively.
三只哈，
要九隻，
我跟西藏，我是跟西藏。
We're heading back now. And we're gonna cook some dinner. All right, let's go inside. Did you have a good nap, Spence? Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's go inside. It's raining really hard right now. Yeah, let's go inside. Let's see what Mama is cooking. We got the clams here.
Thấy, hay, xin ra chảo hiểm. Với cái thau sa.
Yeah, it's spitting out the sand there right now in this bucket here. Then we're gonna cook some of that. And we have our
Sành thau sa.
lobster and crab in here. Ooh, what is that, Spence? You see that? Ooh, what is it? It's called lobster, Spencer. Lòng ha, wow. Oh, yeah, take sorry.
Dạ.
5.
Fine.
Can you count how many lobster?
Fine.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Yay.
Chạy. Để đây.
Sorry. What's in that bag? We got some blue crab. Oh, it's very sharp. That was scary. You see? Oh, look at that, very sharp claws. You see?
Nghe xấu à?
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Yeah, we don't touch it. Okay. It's clams, isn't it? Yes, those are clams. My mom's got this big pot here. Whoa, that's heavy, isn't it? It's got two layer steamer. Put maybe the crabs down there or the lobster. You can steam everything all at once. Yeah, this one. Yeah, close it. Nice. Mama's working on cutting the lobsters. She's cutting them in half. And then we're gonna be steaming them with garlic. I'm gonna be cooking it for dinner.
Thu lại cái
Yeah.
dây cũng khá là.
My mom's gonna be cooking some porridge on the bottom, right in this big pot there, so that when we steam the other seafood, the crab and the lobster, that all the flavor is gonna go all the way down into the porridge. It's gonna be really flavorful. Lobster is looking pretty good. I'm cleaning all the crabs, opening them up. Looking pretty nice. This is the porridge kanji. So the crabs are ready. This is dried black beans. Đậu xì. Preserved beans with ginger.
Cầm tiếng này chút mì đi nè. Xương nhọc.
Some garlic in the beans. And a little chili mix. My mom's just timing the steaming of the lobster for my sister to get here. They'll be here, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. So it's time to put them in. We don't want to cook it too early, otherwise it'll be cold by the time they get here. Sure. Get the timing right. It's got the kanji on the bottom, so once everything is cooked, it's going to add to the flavor of the kanji, which is going to be really nice. Đào thấy cười luôn được không? Yeah, 5 lobsters. They đạp vô佢. Yeah.
8分鐘。
8 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, come on, you got it. Spencer's really sneaky, climbing up here to get a chip. Who is it? I wanted it. Who is it? Who does this? Hi. Kuma's here. Oh, thank you. You got some duck. Yeah. The clams are going to be hot. Boil first before it goes into the wok there. Get it pre-cooked.
Oh, hay à.
Oh my god, got some roast duck. The áo hả bạn?
Chanh à. Cũng là phải xin xa là. Bán đi là do mua hộp kia là xịu.
Đây. Cô trời. Hi. Say hi again. Say hi. So good. Alright. Lobsters are ready.
Có bệnh như có chẳng có gì cũng ngon mà.
Alright, this looks so good. This is the roast duck. Wow. I do that. Very hot. Alright. Now it's officially done.
Wow, để chị cho.
Lobster concentrate is going into the kanji there. Yeah. 이거 활용을 좀.
Này là cái coi. Ăn chút bò kỹ to.
Yeah. Lobster kanji. Okay.
Wow, mặn.
Hậu làng.
Xịt nhiều cái này.
Đây này.
Lên chụp.
Thích pha. Thích pha. Oh,
Nice.
baby. This is our seafood dinner for tonight.
Cu rồi, lấy coi tay cụ đó.
唔緊要啊，冇搞，自己嚟，自己嚟啊，冇搞。
Cái tiếng dầu.
Cho thiển đó.
Mình mới bị xịt.
Đây ạ.
我記得一個咧，佢咪有個 microphone 嚟可以講嘢係咪？
I'm actually returning. Where are the eggs? 2. Good job.
That was a good seafood dinner that we had as a family. And tomorrow, we're not sure what we're doing yet, but we'll be in New York for another 2 weeks. We actually just booked our return ticket and then back to Salt Lake in 2 weeks. Oh, where are you going? You gonna stay right here? Alright, we're gonna be hanging out here in New York for 2 weeks. Alright, we'll be here for a little bit longer. If you guys want to keep watching our time here in New York, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that it can spread to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Spanish, do you want to say bye bye?
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Can you say thank you for watching? Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.